Hey guys, this is the tutorial for the employee database made by Eric and Shawn. So we're going to just start by running the program. So it brings us up to this frame where you can add your first employees. So we're going to call our first one James Smith. Let's give employee number 123123. Let's say he's a full-time, and if you try to add without filling in all the information, it gives you an error. If you try filling it with improper, it also gives you an error. So, give some nice numbers, and now he is in. So if we click display, we can see that James Smith is already in. We already had previous employees added before. And if you want to sort, you can sort by employee number, first name, last name, or full-time and part-time. So now we're going to be going into search. So if we want to search for James, we can search for him and it pulls up his information. And however, if you only remember part of the employee number, you can click on the combo box here and it shows you all the employees with that series of numbers that you typed in. So here's James again. However, if you try to type in an employee number that does not exist in our database, it pops up an error. So if we want to go for edit, we can find James Smith. We can click the edit button and it brings up all his information. Let's say we want to change him from full-time to part-time. Well, you click the part-time and put in all the information here. Let's say he moved to Toronto. You save edit, it saves, and now James is now a part-time. Also, if you don't want to search for an employee but you still want to edit an employee, we can go to display, and if you find James here, we can see that you can edit or remove him from this same area. So, and if you decide that you don't want to edit, you can always clear all the text fields, and this way it'll set it back to default. Also, if you want to remove James and saying if he decides not to work, we can remove him either from the database, from the display table, or we can remove him from the search window right here. So once we remove him, okay, close, and we can save the database. So it is saved, and we can exit. Just to make sure that the database loads properly, we can run it again. Display, we see that James is gone, and if we add James back here, and we add him with, oh, am I missing something? Ah, here it is. If we add him, and without saving, we tried to exit, we have a pop-up window saying, do you want to save before exiting? And we'll say save, we'll say yep, okay, and we're good. So that covers all the functions that our employee database has, and hope you enjoy.